My name is Rosemary Gambonu. Index number 5211160026. I'm here to make a presentation on Excel as a technology tool for learning, and also Excel that enhances education through spreadsheet software. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft, used for data organization, analysis, and visualization. Excel is so used to create, format, and calculate data. And this is an image of an Excel you can see on my screen. These are the importance of Excel in learning. How do you use Excel? Facilitate data management, to enhance analytical skills, to promote critical thinking, useful across various subjects such as math, science, and finance. And we also have some key features of Excel. These are formulas and functions, data visualization, charts and graphs. We have pivot table, conditional formatting, data filtering and sorting. Application in education. How Excel is used in learning. Number 1, budgeting and financial planning, conducting surveys and analyzing results, tracking grades and progress, project management and timelines. We also have some benefits of using Excel in learning. Some of the benefits are: number 1, to improve data literacy, to encourage hands-on learning, to support collaboration through share files, to prepare students for real-world applications. And Excel in different educational levels. We have Excel in different educational levels. Application in various levels: elementary, basic data entry and chart creation; high school, advanced functions and data analysis; and then college, research, data management, and statistical analysis. Challenges and solutions. Common challenges. We have some challenges and solutions in Excel. Common challenges: learning curves for beginners, data overload. These are the challenges. And then we go on to the solution. Step-by-step tutorial. Integrating Excel with other learning tools. We also have some resources for learning Excel. So the resources are online courses, the YouTube tutorial, Microsoft official documentation and tutorial. Summary: Excel is a powerful tool that enhances learning. It encourages students to develop essential skills for future success. Thank you.